What's up, guys? Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Winchester multi-tool. Let's get all that out of there. There. Let's begin. So, sheath itself. Sheath is basically made of nylon, all sewn in. Little belt loop for it. And of course you got the Winchester and everything. Now for this guy itself, now it actually has around about 9 components out there, including the pliers themselves. Now you got the normal, you got the serrated edge knife, you got the basic can opener, bottle opener. This one's like maybe a flathead screwdriver. No, that's actually for, I'm not sure what it is, but I think it's something with digging fingernails, like the dirt off out there. Of course, but it could possibly be a very much smaller flathead screwdriver. This one's kind of bit like a medium-sized flathead. This one's kind of bit a long flathead out there. You got the Phillips. This one, that's not a knife at all. I think it's for something. Yeah, I don't really know this piece out there, but it's not a knife out there because it's not sharp at all. And of course, you got the filer and, basically the ruler out there. And of course, you got the pliers itself. Of course, it's basically a silver multi-tool with the black plastic all over it. Long ways on here, on both sides. And of course, rounded areas, basically all on the edge out there. So, talk about the size itself. So, if it's all closed out there would be 4 inches. You can all know. But the longest piece out there from the multi-tool would have been about 2.5 inches. The blade itself, the blade component, is 2.5 inches. Meanwhile, for the whole thing, with the multi-tool piece opened, would have been 6.5 inches. Meanwhile, for the overall size, including the longest piece up there, would be 9 inches. Let's go test this bad boy out. So the results on this is, it's not bad out there. I know it's not really meant for like any, chopper type knives or, any kind, but yeah, those are like a couple strikes on that. And it's not bad out there. So this guy itself, I basically give the Winchester multi-tool, and basically for a not bad piece out there, a... Oh man, the final verdict on this. A 6 out of 10. Yes, it's actually a okay multi-tool. I mean, it does get the job done and everything. But there's other ones that are better. But it's not terrible out there. So that wraps up of the Winchester multi-tool. I'm multitool boy, and I'm signing out. Hope you guys see you guys next time.